Ants are eusocial insects of the family Firmicidae and, along with the related wasps and bees, belong to the order Hymenoptera.
More than 13,800 of an estimated total of 22,000 species have been classified. They are easily identified by their geniculate antennae and the distinctive node-like structure that forms their slender waists. Ants' head contain many sensory organs. Like most insects, ants have compound eyes made from numerous tiny lenses attached together. The larva is largely unmoving. It is fed and cared for by workers' ants. Food is given to the larvae by trophallaxis. Trophallaxis is a process in which an ant regurgitates liquid food held in its crop. This is fertilized meat-eater ant queen. Most ants are univoltine when producing a new generation each year. Ants communicate with each other using pheromones, sound and touch. Pheromones means ants sending message by touching each other and some little sound. Some species of ant may form subterranean nests or build them on trees. Complex nests are built by many ant species, but other species are nomadic and do not build permanent structure. The materials used for construction include soil and plant matter. Ants carefully select their nest sites. Ants carefully select site to build because they avoid Temnothorax albipennis. It's a kind of disease. They will quick to abandon established nests at the first sign of threat Temnothorax albipennis. Foraging ants travel distance of up to 200 meters from their nest, and scent trail allow them to find their way back even in the dark. In hot and dry regions, day-foraging ants face death by desiccation, so the ablatido find the shortest route back to the nest reduces that risk. Ants attack and defend themselves by biting, in many species, by stinging, often injecting or spraying chemicals. Bullet ants, located in South America, are considered to have the most painful sting of any insect, although it is usually not fatal to humans. This sting pain is given the highest rating on Sting Pain Index. But the sting pain of jack jumper ants can be fatal to human, and an antivenom has been developed for it. Fire ant stings are painful and can be dangerous to hypersensitive people. Trap-jaw ants are equipped with mandibles, which snap shut faster than any other predatory appendages within the animal kingdom. Trap-jaw ant recorded peak speed of between 126 and 230 km per hour, with the jaws closing within 130 microseconds on average. The ants were also observed to use their jaws as a catapult to eject intruders or fling themselves backward to escape a threat. There is also some other species of ant in Malaysia called Colobopsis saunders and Brazilian called Forelius pusillus. Those ants are using suicidal defense. Ants and their larvae are eaten in different parts of the world. The eggs of ants are used in Mexican. They are considered a form of insect caviar and can sell for as much as $50 going up to $200 because they are seasonal and hard to find. Some ant species are considered as pests, primarily those that occur in human habitations, where their presence is often problematic. Some ants will raid stored food, some will seek water sources, others may damage indoor structures, some may damage agricultural crops directly or by aiding sucking pests. The adaptive nature of ant colonies make it nearly impossible to eliminate anti-ire colonies, and most pest management practices aim to control locale populations and tend to be temporary solution. Ant populations are managed by a combination of approaches that make use of chemical, biological, and physical methods. Chemical methods use insecticidal bait to gathered by ants as food and brought back to the nest where the poison is inadvertently spread to other colony member through trophallaxis. Ants perform many ecological roles that are beneficial to humans, including the suppression of pest population and aeration of the soil. The use of weaver ants in citrus cultivation in southern China is considered one of the oldest known applications of biological control. But on the other hand, ants may become nuisances when they invade buildings or cause economic losses. In some parts of the world, Africa and South America, large ants, especially army ants, are used as surgical sutures. The wound is pressed together and ants are applied along it. The body is then cut off and the head and mandibles remain in place to close the wound. In South Africa, ants are used to help harvest the seeds of rooibos. It's a plant used to make herbal tea. The ants help to collect and store seed in their nest, where humans can gather them easily. The behavior of ants has been documented and the subject of early writing and fables passed from one century to another. Their complex and variable social structures have made ants ideal model organisms. Ultraviolet vision was first discovered in ants by Sir John Lubbock in 1881. Ant colonies may be studied by rearing or temporarily maintaining them in formicaria, specially constructed glass frames enclosures. Nowadays, individuals use it to track for study by marking them with dots of colors. The successful technique used by ant colonies have been studied in computations and robotics to produce distributed and fault-tolerant system for solving problems, such as ant colony optimization and ant robotics. From the late 1950s through the late 1970s, ant farm were popular educational children's toys in the United States. Some later commercial versions use transparent gel instead of soil, allowing greater visibility at the cost of stressing the ants with unnatural light.